Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to laminate our brows. Yes, for sure. Sounds weird, right? You know what? I was one of the people who did not believe in brow lamination until recently when I realized that my brows are totally out of control. It's going haywire. It's totally like what's going on. So today we're going to laminate our brows. If you're new here, hi, my name is Juliana. Welcome to my channel. And if you are a returning subscribers, I would like to say thank you so much for coming back. Today is the 4th week since the last time I did my brow lamination, and I totally enjoyed. If you're new to brow lamination is making sure that your brows are lifted, tamed, and in control. I think for those people whose brows are going haywire all the time, guilty. Brow lamination is one of the best solution. And I said to myself, where have I been? Why I did not consider this at first? But anyway, never too late. This is the product that I use, and so far I do skin test before using this product. Had no problem. I got this off from Amazon. And this is the Gychee eyelash and brow lamination kit. So it comes with complete tools that you needed to do your brow lamination and your lash lift. This lamination kit is also good for eyelash lift, but I don't do eyelash lift because I burned my eyelid. Promise myself I'm not gonna do that. But this one, I am so impressed because it's so gentle. I never had any skin reaction. And there's a lady who's taking care of my skin for so long, and she's the one who's doing my lash lift. So the kit comes with the manual. Again, reading your manual is the best. And there's a list of ingredients for your information, and also step-by-step instruction. And this is the kit. Oops. And this is the kit. And it comes with the cling wrap, but this is so tiny, I opted not to use this. Instead, I'm going to use my cling wrap here from my kitchen. For eyelash lift, there's a silicone pads here that you can use. Since I don't do lash lift at home, I just put this aside. The kit comes with firm, fixation, nutrition, cleanse, and of course, the lash glue. I would suggest before doing this, make sure to clean up your brows and do your, flocking and shaving. So I'm going to clean up my eyebrows. We're going to use the cleaning solution from the kit. Although I have micellar water on hand, this one is oil-free. This is just micellar water with Cica, but I'm going to use that later once we're done doing the lamination. I'm cleaning my brows to make sure that any kind of residue is gone. Okay, and then I'm going to let it dry. Okay, step 2, we're going to use the lash glue from the kit, and I'm going to brush off first my eyebrows. And we're going to apply this glue. We're applying the glue right now. This is sticky. Please make sure to coat each and every brow hair. The glue dries so fast. What I'm doing right now is I'm just brushing up my eyebrows to the direction that I wanted to firm. It looks like weird, but trust me, the result is beautiful. I totally enjoyed it the first time I did this by myself, and I thought I will mess up everything, but you know what, it was good. So ever since, I've been doing it at home. And doing the lamination at the salon, at least in my area, is between $65 to $150, which is That's a lot of money. That's food on the table. You know what I mean? And I'm going to use the Y tool again. So the Y tool is just like this. And there's a small brush on the other end. I'm brushing it up. And I'm going to put more. Because my hair here, this part here, is stubborn. I cannot control them. My goodness. Matigas ang ulo. I'm going to use a cling wrap. So I'm gonna look like this. In beauty, no pain, no gain. So you just have to be patient and strong and resilient. And we're going to set this for 10 minutes and I'll be right back. Time's up. So what I do is I don't do it forward to avoid disturbing the brows. I lift backward. You see? After the lash glue, we're going to use the firm lotion using these tiny tools. Okay, the firm lotion, just to give you heads up, is I don't like the smell though, but make sure to wash your hands properly. So lemon will remove the scent of the firm lotion. So what I do is I make sure I get adequate amount of firm lotion to cover my entire brows. Make sure every strand will be firmed. Everything is brushed up. I'm going to get another cling wrap and cover entire brows. Okay. We're going to do the 10 minutes time. I'll be right back. Okay, time's up. Okay, we're done with 10 minutes. We're going to use the fixation lotion. Fixation lotion neutralizes the pH level of the hair and secure the desired firming of brows. I'm just removing the excess lotion on my skin because I don't like it. Although the first time I used this, I was terrified that my skin will be irritated or it will get, some allergic reaction. Thankfully, I didn't have that. By the way, before doing anything or putting something on your skin that you're not used to it, make sure to do some skin test. That's what I did. But anyway, let's do this and cover it with cling wrap and set it for another 10 minutes. Time's up. We're going to clean our brows and we're going to use the cleanser from the kit. I'm going to use the cotton buds. Be gentle when removing the product on your brows. A brow lamination is a total game changer. Oh, wow. And then the last, after the cleansing, we're going to use the nutrition. I just apply it all over my brows. Don't mind my skin because I'm breaking out. So this is how it looks like. And then if you want, you can trim it. I have my brow scissor. I know my eyebrows are not even. This brow is longer than this one. This one is, I don't know what happened. It's my fault, but that's the reason why there's eyebrow pencil. Avoid washing your brows for the next 4 to 6 hours. Okay guys, and yes, and I'm happy with the end result. Let's ride the bandwagon and try laminating your own brows. And yeah, I'm so happy with the result. These brows will be perfectly tamed for at least 4 to 5 weeks. For $28, looking at the kit right now, I will have this for another 2 to 3 uses. For $28, you got a lot for your back. Anyway, regarding the product that I use, please make sure to do your own research. However, this brand is not the best in Amazon, but you know what? I noticed that this has expiration date, and they are cruelty free as well. The whole process, it took me like 40 minutes at the comfort of your home. This video is not sponsored. However, I'm just happy with the product. Okay guys, and that's it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I would love to invite you to please come join the gang by hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget to ring that bell to get notified on all my video uploads. Thank you all so much. I love you all. I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. Jesus loves you.